Yes, sir. Now you are the host.
I will make you the host, Ashish.
Okay, okay, sir.
All of you can allow. Uh, Ashish, you can record also.
Yes, sir. Recording is started.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Now you are the host.
That time you are. Yes, sir. That time you are also the participant.
Yeah, that's what.
If possible, please all of you start your video also.
Yes, all of you, please keep your video on. Sorry for the inconvenience, Ashish and Sanjeev.
That's fine. That's fine.
No, but I'm still surprised. Without any host, how can a meeting be started? Really?
Happened for the first time to me also.
Yeah, it's first time to us. All right.
Because sir, you said that time meeting time, but you joined with another ID.
Yeah, no, because I thought, no, why I did this? Because there has been a frequent power cut here in my area today because of this rain. Okay, that's what I
Yes,
gave
sir.
the host to Ashish. Hmm. All right, not a problem. Yes, Ashish, over to you. Can we start once again?
Uh, yes,
Like
sir.
two more people are yet to join.
Oh, okay.
18, one more.
People are
Because
joining,
when we
sir.
started, it was 19.
Hmm.
We can wait for 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Let them join.
Yes.
Or we can start it. It's still in the beginning, so we can start.
Yes, we can start, Ashish. The person
Yes,
will
sir.
join.
So, sir, I would like to invite Sumedha for national anthem, and I would request you to all to stand up for the respect of national anthem. We have 10 seconds, so please stand up on your place. Then Sumedha will start national anthem. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhaiya. So, I sincerely thank all the participants. Now I am going to start our national anthem. So pay regards to it and stand up.
All of you, please mute. Or yes,
Everyone ready? Shall I start?
please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे अब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय
Jai.
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 thank you so much guys
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sumedha. Now, I would like to invite Sir. Sir will say something about this program and this class and Independence Day also. So, Sir, please start.
Yes. Thank you, Ashish. And first of all, let me greet all of you a very happy Independence Day. This is 74th Independence Day we are celebrating. So on this occasion, as we have started this campaign, I do not call it a class. This is a kind of campaign to get ourselves ready for the service of India. Okay, I don't know how many of us will go for government job or anything, or at top or those kind of places, but wherever we are, we try to, devote ourselves in the service of India. So I will say few words definitely, but let me just tell you that accomplish this institute is started with the intention to serve. This is my service, not only to start as as an institute, but also as a service, fine, to the society where I belong to. Because the background I have come up from, that has given me the duty to work for this. Okay, many people go from Bihar, but they never come back and do something for their own people. So I had this intention in my mind, and I thought to do something for our brothers and sisters there who have been working very hard, and Bihar is known for hard working people, you know. So I thought about it with with that intention. I wanted to start a campaign where I just want to support people to the best of my efforts, so that people will be benefited where they are struggling, especially English. Okay, I have seen many of my friends since my childhood who have been, you know, they have a fear of English in their mind. So I thought, first of all, not only to prepare them for this concept of preparation for government job, but let us prepare ourselves to, you know, to get rid of that fear of English. So that is my first intention, and we have been working, and we have just started this campaign accomplish, and we as a group, we are trying to work very hard and do something very important for, not only for us, for ourselves, but for the society, and consequently this is for our country. So I will definitely express my views. Okay, but let me thank Dr. Subhasis, who has accepted our invitation. So on behalf of Accomplish, let me thank Dr. Subhasis, who belongs to Odisha. It's very, very lively state, and many people are known for their heart and the temples. Fine. You must have heard, all of you prepare for competition, you must know that Bhubaneswar is called Temple City. Isn't it, Subhasis?
Yeah.
Yes. And people are also very kind, very genuine, because I had the
So this much is
opportunity.
enough for today.
No, no, no. I had the opportunity to be in a company of many people from Odisha. So Subhasis is one of them. We have, let me share with all of you that we have studied together for 10 years in IFLU. So IFLU gave me the opportunity to have a very nice student like Subhasis. Okay. And be a very good friend. And now we dreamt of working with each other when we were studying, and now we are sharing the same office space. You all will be surprised to know. So this 10 years bond has been, very strong now, and it will continuously be stronger. So I would now invite Dr. Subhasis, who has done his PhD in IFLU. Obviously, as I said, is we are colleagues and friends forever. So let me invite Dr. Subhasis on behalf of Accomplice to say a few words and address our students. Yes, Subhasis.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So let me wish you all good health and good life ahead on this day of the Independence Day. So as Amit sir has already shared the history of our relationship, he has only put the good side of me. But I have been a nuisance in his life, uh, causing all sort of troubles. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a good day to start and good what is the platform to talk about all about it. If you talk about education and all, yes, uh, we people from UP, Bihar, Odisha to be specific, and it's not like exclusive to us. Some other states also, we have a very low self-esteem that we are aware of our inabilities than our ability. What we cannot do, we know, but what we can do, we are not that much focused on that. I hope the silence is towards yes, not towards no. But trust me, we don't lack abilities, we don't lack any of those skills that the so-called successful people have. We count ourselves little low, that's the only thing. And so far as our success story goes, Amit sir and I, we were mediocre students and not so aware like you. You are in a good platform, you're in a good community that you're in contact with somebody like Amit sir. So he himself is a good person, that's why he praises everyone. Right? To see the good side of anybody, you yourself are supposed to be a good person. So that positive attitude takes you forward with a lot of things. Like when you find a teacher, now you people are associated with Accomplish. I am not going to get into the goals and objectives of Accomplish. We all know that. But when you have a teacher like that, you see, teaching, when he starts teaching you, you will get to know that teaching a subject, let's say English or any other subject, different teachers might have, different students might have different objectives. Why you get into the course, why you enroll yourself. For individual students, there might be, the objectives might differ. But the teacher has one single agenda, one single objective of giving you something. All that he has, all that you need. So, according to our objectives or our need from the course, we may sometimes overvalue the course and teacher, and sometimes we undervalue the course and teacher. So, don't go either way. Stick to the objective, stick to the teacher's trust in the teacher that today's subject might not be really relevant to my objective, but tomorrow will be. Day after tomorrow, the subject will be. So, study, learning anything new. I believe in this statement, learning anything new is always boring. Because we are comfortable with your life. What I know, what I have, I'm comfortable with that. To learn something new means to put some extra effort. And effort, labor, hard labor, such things are very uncomfortable and boring. So, it's the teacher who comes up with a lot of patience and a lot of planning. You also have to, it's a, like, what do you say that? It's a, if you people understand cricket, it's a partnership. One person cannot win the match for the team. Same, the teacher, even if he gives all his blood and sweat, cannot make you successful. It's you, along with the teacher, you come together with a lot of patience. Lot of patience is required and motivation, self-motivation that if today I'm not getting what I wanted to, tomorrow I will get. Tomorrow not in the sense, not in a hypothetical 2 years or after 3 years. Tomorrow means exactly tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday. So it's a good thing that you have a teacher who personally I'm telling, I'm not advertising anything for Mitsa. From my personal experience, I have been misusing him, like his expertise, his knowledge to the course. So he comes up with a lot of planning. He doesn't show up just like that. He comes up with a lot of planning, but sometimes your plan and his plan may not coincide. So don't get frustrated, don't get irritated. Okay, my plan was something else, he's giving something. So new things are always complicated, new things are always boring. So have patience, walk the talk. He will give a lot of hand holding, and be patient with that, and trust me, the way he will teach you like it. But it's not about the way he teaches. It's not about the syllabus. Any teacher, any good teacher completes the syllabus for you. Any good teacher teaches everything with a lot of effort. But one intelligent teacher, what he does, he gives you what is there in the syllabus all and something more, something extra, something beyond what you have planned for, something beyond what you think of. It's like Google and Google Plus. Google gives you everything. Google Plus gives something extra. So you have a Google Plus with you, and it's like you might think what I'm getting is the same thing that the other teacher has taught. The same thing, but in a different way, more relevant way that you can apply in your real life. Let me give you one example. I'll wind up with that because we teachers have a problem. Once we start, there is no full stop. There is only a comma, semicolon, but there is no full stop. Just one example. Amit sir, if I have one more.
Please, please.
Yeah. So, all of you, I hope, I think all of your mother tongue is Hindi, but whatever the mother tongue, whatever the home language is, let me give you one situation. If you have kids, that's fine. You can get into their shoes. If you are young enough, the people who are able to see here on the camera. So imagine your father is sitting in the living room, in the common room, and as usual, Indian fathers, what do they do on a Sunday morning? Take a newspaper and read the newspapers and give orders to all their kids, right? You must be acquainted with that kind of life. Your father giving you orders, do this, do that. So in that type of scenario, assume that you are doing something serious, but your father calls you. Let's say, Amit. Obviously, your response is yes, Papa. So next thing he wants is simple. Go to the kitchen, get me a glass of water. When I say glass of water, it's not a steel or metal glass, made of glass. Right. So actually, in English, what we say, it's a tumbler. We call it glass. Anyway, so you go as per the instruction, you go to the kitchen without a single word. You go to the kitchen, get the glass of water, and on the way, unfortunately, you drop the glass, right? Glass, drop. Third, that sound, full glass drops on the ground. That sound, shattering sound, your father gets to hear it and he asks a simple question. Think in your mother. Loudly, he shouts, what happened? Now, what is your answer? Do you say, I broke the glass, or the glass is broken? In your mother.
Yeah, you can respond in your mother tongue.
You can respond,
In
yeah,
Hindi.
switch on.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Hindi, yes. In Hindi, you think in Hindi, tell me, I understand.
We will say, sir, glass टूट गया.
Glass टूट
गिर
गया.
गया.
Glass गिर गया.
टूट
Glass
गया?
टूट गया. टूट गया.
Yes.
It's broken. It's shattered.
तोड़ा नहीं,
Glass-
टूट गया.
Nobody says, I broke the glass.
Yes, sir.
If there is a prize associated, suddenly he says, who broke the glass will get 500. Will you say the glass is broken? Glass
No.
टूट गया? मैंने
No.
right? So it's why I'm saying that we have a age-old notion of changing from passive to active to passive. Those who are preparing for competitives, you might have such questions when you write the exams. Change from active to passive, change from passive to active. One thing that, obviously, hundreds of such examples Amit sir will give you during the course. This is not something exclusive to me. We use these kind of examples. So what happens, what I'm trying to tell you here is, active or passive is not one type of, like a sentence change from active and passive to active or active to passive. It's not kind of that. These are two types of sentences to be used in different conditions, different situations. According to the situation, you use a particular sentence. Passive is used only when you don't want to take the blame. Something happened. I didn't do it. But when there is a prize associated with it or something positive associated with it, you want the credit. Yeah. मैंने तोड़ा, मैंने तोड़ा.
Yes.
So I broke the glass. So it's not about what is active, what is passive. It's about where to use active, where to use passive. Once we understand the situation, because language takes place in the context, in a situation. It's not active is better, passive is not better, not good. It's not like that. Both have their own situation, context. This is just one example. With hundreds of such examples, Amit sir will come in and he will definitely give you a good clarity over the use of language. So that's where I said it's not about what we learn, it's about how we learn. And Google Plus.
Yes.
So that Google Plus matters. Okay, sir. Amit sir, that's all
Yes.
from my side.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So much, Dr. Subhasis. Okay. Anyway, there is a debate. Okay, there is a recent debate that Google is replacing the teacher and you are making me Google Plus at that time of debate. Yeah. Now, when teachers are replaced by Google, let's see how far it is true. Okay. And it's not about bread and butter of teachers. Okay. It's about the transmission of knowledge.
Now,
In any way it happens.
for that debate, I have a conclusion.
Yeah, please.
If Google and it, one sentence I can add, like it's nothing replaces a teacher, and we should not think of anything to be replaced by the other thing. That's a very stupid idea to the modern world. I'm not talking about Google and teacher only. Anything need not be replaced by the other aspect.
Yes. Yes.
For teacher and Google, let's we arrange a marriage. Let them be husband and wife, right?
True.
Together they will serve better.
Yes.
And who is the husband, who is the wife? I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let
Yes.
them be a couple.
Yes.
Together they will serve better. Technology and teacher.
Definitely. Definitely. Yes. And thank you so much, Dr. Suvasis. And let me
Thank
just tell all of you once again. I just want to tell once again. I assure you and guarantee you that whatever has Suvasis said about me, I have not asked him to tell.
No, I'm already paid. Bro.
Yeah. Please.
I have received my check.
Okay. Yes.
This is how we spoil our students.
Yes. Very nice. Thank you so much, Vasis, for accepting our invitation. Now, we'll
No,
continue.
my troubleshooting is there still. One
Yeah.
troubleshooting. To all of you, those who are joining,
Hmm.
keep asking and keep troubling your teachers.
Yes. Yes.
We don't appreciate smiling but silent students.
Yes.
We appreciate troublemakers.
Hmm.
Troublemakers, not meaningless trouble, meaningful trouble.
Yes.
As many
Yes.
questions are possible.
Yes. True. Now we have
Thank
only 1 minute left. We do not have this license Zoom. So can we all log in once again because 45 minutes are over. Okay. Then we have our continuous program and we have one more guest, very important for today. So we'll
So you
quickly,
can log out everyone. You can simply close the meeting.
yeah. So please join.
Then everybody will log in.
Yeah, please quickly join. Okay.
Oh,
Good, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.